In this video tutorial, we will cover the Stack Instance Movies feature. When you stack instance movies, you put multiple instance movies into a single instance movie window. This is a very useful feature if you have multiple angles of the same video. You can stack instance movies that are from the same timeline or from multiple timelines. The process and functionality is the same for either, but for this tutorial, we will be stacking from multiple timelines. So, as you can see, as I click through my 3 open movie packages, I have 3 angles of the same game. Much like the Combine Instance Movies feature, you will first need to open each of the instance movies you are stacking. I have the same timeline data in each package, so it's easy to select the same instance in each timeline. Once I open each instance movie, I'll go ahead and close each timeline. Also, like the Combine Instance Movies feature, the order in which your instance movie windows are layered will determine where in the stacked instance movie window each angle appears. The top window will be the furthest left in the stacked instance movie window, and the bottom window will be the furthest right. Any instance movie windows in between would follow suit. So, this instance movie will be on the left, this one in the middle, and this one on the far right in our example. So let's go ahead and stack these instance movies. To do so, click on Windows in the taskbar, and then Stack Instance Movies. You see that the stacked instance movie window has appeared, and if we play this video, you'll see all 3 angles placed simultaneously. There are a few additional icons in a stacked instance movie window. The first 2 icons make the stacked instance movie window smaller and larger, just like in a normal instance movie window. The next set of clapperboard icons control whether an angle appears in your stacked instance movie window. If I click on the far left icon, you see that an X appears over the icon, and the far left angle is no longer in the stacked instance movie window. I can show any combination of my angles. Then the last set of icons are the volume icons. Again, these correspond to each angle from left to right. Sometimes you may only want to hear audio from a certain angle or a few different angles, so to turn off audio from angles, just click on the volume icons here. If you do end up not properly layering your instance movie windows, you can rearrange the location of the stacked angles in the instance movie window. By holding the Command key and clicking and dragging an instance movie, you can drag the angle to the desired position within the stacked instance movie window. Depending on the processor power of your Mac machine, there is a limit to how many instances you may be able to stack. This can also be affected by the other processes and applications you have running on your machine while using sports code.